name's Kyler. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I'm a service technician and I'm here for a water leak. I'd have to say their organization. They go above and beyond with their customers and they have amazing Google reviews. I worked at another plumbing company before this, a Pipe Wrench, and I had the same responsibilities. I fixed leaks in the crawl space, pull and reset toilets. I'd have to say meeting different people and being in different environments and everything. I like fixing water leaks, whether it's in a basement or a crawl space. I'd have to say the different people that work here, they're courteous and everybody's different and they go above and beyond for anybody. I'd have to say I like playing video games. I enjoy hunting, fishing. I enjoy hanging out with friends.